Look at here. I have some zucchini. Okay, zucchini. I'm over here pruning this zucchini plant, getting all these dead leaves off of it. I'm gonna try to raise it up off the ground. I'm gonna try to put one of these tomato cages around it to lift it up so the leaves won't be sitting directly on the ground and the bugs will be getting right straight on them. But look at this. Okay, zucchini, come on, get big for us. Come on, grow big for us. I have the zucchini raised up off the ground a little better, where the leaves are not directly on the dirt. Okay, and the air can get underneath here and the bees can get underneath here and pollinate some more of the zucchini. I'm gonna keep the netting off of it for a little bit. And hopefully some bees will come over here and pollinate some more zucchini for us. Okay, zucchini, come on. Grow big for us there. Look at my beautiful okra flower. The first one of the season. Blooming out there looking beautiful. Okay, I see you, I see you. I see your little okra there growing. Come on, okra. There's a lot of okra this season.